Hi there, it's Sam here from Keepower Studio. In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I would like to show you how to flip a single layer or a single image, and also how to flip entire elements on the canvas at once. Let's jump right into the tutorial. When you open your image with Photoshop, first you need to unlock the image layer by pressing this padlock icon. Then to flip horizontal, go to Edit, Transform, and select Flip Horizontal. And to flip vertical, go to Edit, Transform, and select Flip Vertical. That's it. Let's step back to the previous state by pressing Ctrl Z. Now you can also flip the image by pressing Ctrl T. Then right click on the image you want to flip and select either Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Press this check mark to confirm the changes. That's how to flip a single image layer in Photoshop. Now I would like to show you how to flip multiple images or layers at once. To do so, go to Image, Image Rotation, and select either Flip Canvas Horizontal or Flip Canvas Vertical. As you can see, that method flips the entire elements on the canvas or flips all layers at once. Let's go back to the previous state by pressing Ctrl Z. It's different from going to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, which only flips the layer you selected. That's all for this quick tutorial. If you think this tutorial is useful, hit the like button. If you want more tutorials like this, hit the subscribe button for more future uploads. Thanks for watching this video and see you later.